Finally got my card. But honestly, I don't know what to do with all these papers.
That's where most people go wrong. The welcome kit isn't just packaging, it's your first defense against fraud. Let's break it down. Front side, your unique card number. Never share it. The EMV chip stores encrypted data securely. Expiry date and brand logos show your transaction network. Backside, magnetic stripe is legacy tech, easily cloned by skimmers. CVV is your online transaction key, always covered with a sticker.
What about this PIN thing? Critical. Only set your PIN through official ATM, bank app, or IVR. Never share OTP with anyone claiming to help.
Terms booklet has hidden charges. Bookmark the fees page. Insurance auto-renews into paid policies. Opt out if unwanted. Rewards are bonuses, not spending targets. So half this kit is useful, half is marketing fluff. Exactly. Read carefully, ignore the noise, and secure your card details. Remember, your card is not just plastic, it's access to your money. Protect it like you would protect cash.